Okay, today we are going to graph a quadratic function from the table of values x and y. Here on the left side, you can see the table of values for x and y. And here on the right side is our Cartesian plane. I am using a GeoGebra application to be able to show you how to graph and plot these points on our Cartesian plane. Now, parts of the Cartesian plane, this is our vertical line, the y-axis, and our horizontal line, which is our x-axis. So, on this table, we have the x values and the y values. So, if they are to put together, we call it ordered pair. We have -2 and +4. So, how do we graph this or plot this in our Cartesian plane? First, we go to our x-axis, -2, and here it is. On the y-axis, we have there the +4. Let's have the intersection of the two. So, we are going to put the point for that intersection. So, that is now our -2, +4. See? Here. So next we have -1 x values and +1 for our y. So again, their intersection is our point given. Next we have 0, 0. It is in our origin. Next is 1, 1. We have here +1 x value and the +1 for y. There it is. +1, 1. And lastly, we have +2 for the x values and +4 for our y. And then, there you have it. Again, since this is a graph of a quadratic function, let us connect these points. So, we have the graph of f of x is equal to x squared. So let us connect. Okay. So this is now the graph of the function x squared. Okay. That's how we graph and plot the points from a table of values. Again, this graph of a quadratic function is called parabola. That's it.